Okay, then I'm starting. So, like the day one was, what was the topic on day one? It was about digital footprint, and day two was, yesterday we discussed about. Now you have to interact with me. Huh?
Online predators.
Online predators, right? And like, what was the takeaway of yesterday's session? Please share with me. Today I will call someone and he or she will share with me, right? Like Ankita Shaha. Please, Ankita, unmute yourself, and if possible, please on your video. Ankita. Okay, maybe she is not there. Then Brinda. You can unmute yourself. Yeah. Please share the takeaway from yesterday's session.
Okay, actually these days we can't keep our children away from digital world. It is their necessity, but our talks with them should be open so that they will tell us with whom are they talking, who are their friends on net. If possible, we can be their friends on their digital groups, and otherwise our talk should be very free, that even if they think that they have done some mistake, they should be able to talk to us freely. They should not have fear in mind that what will happen if I tell parents. So
Exactly.
that open environment,
Yeah, you have to be very open.
Yes.
Your kid. Okay. Now Ankita is there. Ankita, please unmute yourself. Unmute, Ankita, unmute yourself. We can't hear you. Anu? Yeah, Anu, can you share, want to share something? Mr. Joyadoti? Mr. Joyadoti? If anybody want to share something, they can unmute and share your views. I want to know your views actually. Madhumita Bokshi, I can see you. Please unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm
Yeah, Madhumita. Madhumita, now you unmute yourself. I have mute everyone. Now you unmute yourself. Yeah, please.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Almost every day I am so much scared about my 7 years child, because he's so much friendly to all the persons, not only in the family. Every
Okay.
time he likes to speak, he used to speak somebody else. He did not recognize who is his actually
Please,
কাকে
other
চেনে
than
কাকে চেনে
Madhumita,
না অচেনা
everybody mute yourself.
We are not able to get what she is telling.
Exactly. I have again mute everybody. Now Madhumita, again you unmute yourself. Only Madhumita will unmute. Yeah, now.
অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার চাইল্ড সবার সঙ্গে মিশে কথাবার্তা মানে সব সময় বলতে চায়, মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি ও কাকে চেনে না সেটা না বুঝে ও সবার সঙ্গে কল করতে, মানে সবার সঙ্গে পরিচয় করতে চায়, তাদের সঙ্গে মেলামেশা করতে চায়, কথাবার্তা বলতে চায়। তো আই এম সো মাচ কেয়ার্ড অ্যাবাউট।
না, সেটা তো একটা ডিফারেন্ট টপিক হয়ে গেল। আপনার বাচ্চা সবার সাথে মিশে, আমি বলছি যে আমরা যে ডিজিটাল ওয়ার্ল্ড নিয়ে কথা বলছি, আমাদের এখানকার টপিকটা তো ডিজিটাল ওয়ার্ল্ড, ওটার জন্য আলাদাভাবে কি করতে সেটা আমি আপনাকে বলে দেবো পরে, আমাকে টেক্সট বলবো। নরমাল, এটা খুব ভালো জিনিস, খুব অ্যাজাইল কথা বলে, এটা ভালো, কিন্তু একটু তদারকি করতে হবে। আমি জানতে চাইছি যে এই যে দুদিনের যেটা শেষ সেশন গেল, এখান থেকে আপনি কি নতুন কিছু কি জানতে পারলেন, তাহলে সেটা কি?
হ্যাঁ, অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার ছেলের সঙ্গে আমি অনেকটা মানে রুডলি বিহেভ করতাম, কিন্তু গত 2-3 দিন ধরে আমি ফ্রেন্ডলি মেশার চেষ্টা করছি, দেখি ওর মধ্যে কিছুটা হলেও চেঞ্জেস আসছে। সো দিস মিটিং ইজ সো মাচ ইউজফুল ফর মি।
2 সপ্তাহ একদম মাথা ঠান্ডা করে বাচ্চার সঙ্গে মিশুন, আর নিজের মাথা ঠান্ডা করার জন্য যদি কিছু প্রসেস নিতে হয়, তাহলে নিজের উপরে সেই ডেভেলপমেন্টাল স্কিল গুলোকে মানে ইমপ্রুভ করুন। নিজে একটুখানি
আমি চাইবো আপনার কাছ থেকে
আপনি আমার
যে ওই স্কিল গুলো যদি দুই একটা স্কিল যদি বলে দেন তাহলে আমাদের সুবিধা হয়।
আমি লাস্টের দিন একটু শেয়ার করব, কারণ আমরা নিজেদের সেলফ ডেভেলপমেন্ট না করলে না এগুলো হয় না, আমাদের অ্যাঙ্গার ম্যানেজমেন্ট করতে হয়, কারণ আমরা নিজেরা প্রচুর ধরনের প্রেসারে থাকি। ওকে ফাইন, তাহলে আমি আজকের সেশনটা শুরু করছি। সো টপিক ইজ সাইবার সেফটি। Let me first share my screen.
Not able to hear you.
Okay. Now please everybody mute yourself. Now cyber safety. Cyber safety, what is cyber safety? Try to mute, please.
Not able to understand.
Cyber hygiene is no more a choice, it's a necessity for like a house protects from your external environment. Cybersecurity protects you from external internet hooker, stealing and snatching your confidential information for various motives, often mandatory. এটাকে আমরা বলি সাইবার সেফটি কেন আমাদের খুব দরকার, why cyber safety is very much important in today's life. Okay, so cyber safety is not a choice, it's a necessity in our life, in today's life. Why? Because day night we are like in the web, we are surrounded with the web. Every time we are using our mobile, and nowadays all the mobiles are connected with internet all the time. Fine. So all the time we are surrounded through internet. So cyber safety is the most important thing. And why and how, today I am going to share all those things. Fine. This is not only for our child, this is also for ourselves also, because we all are using the internet. Raja Das, please keep yourself mute, because please don't unmute yourself. Raja Das. Yeah, thank you. So now how and why we should introduce cyber safety to our kids, because like our internet presence is very much important and very much personal to us. It's our personal identity. We need not to share it to anybody. Like what type of things? We should not share our personal information online. Mainly our Aadhaar card, our bank details, These all are very important and crucial informations that anytime very easily we share. And if any online predators targeting your child, they will ask for all this information, and your child will share all this information, and you will be not knowing that. আমরা জানতেই পারবো না যে কখন বাচ্চারা ওগুলোকে শেয়ার করে দিয়েছে, কারণ বাচ্চারা জানবেই না যে এগুলো কতটা হার্মফুল হতে পারে। That's why we have to learn and literate them that these all documents, the voter card, passport number, Aadhaar card, these all are linked with your bank account. These all are linked with other social media account. If anybody gets any number, even your phone number also, they can connect with all those media. They can connect to your bank, they can connect to your Facebook account and everything. Then don't share passwords. Like what happened, in peer groups, two of them are very close. It may be one boy and boy, one boy and girl, anything. One girl and two girl and girl. They have very close friendship and they share their password. Maybe they use a mutual profile, fine. And after some days, what happened? The friendship got broken. It can happen. It's not that one friendship will stay for lifelong, fine. It may be one relation, it may be one very close friendship, anything. That time, what happened with that password, he or she can handle your profile and can malutilize you. And what happened? It will again damage your digital footprint, fine. So never ever share your password to anybody. Your password is like you. You can't share total you to anybody else, fine. So password is very much important and very much personal. So don't share it to anybody. How good your friend to you, whatever the thing happens, don't share your password. If your mother or father have to check your account or any time, then you can share only with your parents. Other than your parents, don't share your password to anybody, fine. Don't get together with someone you meet online. This is a very important thing, because in Facebook, Instagram and other dating sites is not for the adult one. Lots of kids are there, like 8-9 years old kids are also there. They are making their profile with fake a birth date, and they can be able to make the profile in dating apps also. And what happened? Online predators will try to meet them, and when you are going to meet them, they can do so many of bad things to you. But if there is any chance that you have to meet him, it's your friends or friend, anyone, then don't go alone. Take your friend, your cousin, because father, mother will be not be possible for taking, because kids will not tell you that we are going to meet someone like whom we meet in internet actually. So ask them, if you are going, then it's better tell us, or you take someone trustworthy with you. Then, and don't use text or other tool to gossip, bully or damage someone's reputation. What happened? If you have others' password and you are thinking that I am going to destroy his or her reputation because I have password, I can access his or her profile. And from where you are using that profile from your mobile or your laptop, the IP address will get tracked. Fine. It will again damage your digital history. Fine. So do not use any abusing words from your own profile or others' profile, because you are using the same system. Fine. So your IP address will get tracked and it will be get connected with your original profile. It will damage your digital footprint. And do not put any comment in celebrities photos on anything. Share something good, that is not a problem, but don't bully anyone. Don't try to damage anyone's reputation. It will automatically damage your reputation. Fine. Talk to your parent or trusted adult if an interaction or message makes you uncomfortable. This is very important. Parents have to make themselves very much friendly with their child, that they can become to you and say, see Papa, someone is texting me badly or someone is abusing me. I am feeling very much uncomfortable. Please take care. And then and there, parent should look after that. Who is that guy? If you have access to that person, like you can text him, message him, and then straight block him. Fine. I just want to share two like movie. One name is Hacked and one is Dream Girl. Fine, the recent one, not the previous one. This is maybe it's released on OTT platform. You can go in the web and search for it. And I will like insist you to watch these two movies, because these are made on cyber crime. You can see how everything is visible in internet, and how anyone can damage you, anyone can do anything with your profile. Fine. So cyber security is very much important. And how we will establish the cyber security? When you have one phone or laptop, do install one antivirus. Fine. Every time anything, any virus, when the hackers try to hack your phone, they will send some small app, small software that will be installed in your phone, and that will automatically get all your data. Like in WhatsApp, you find some link, click this link, you will get something. Fine. Do not ever click all those untrusted link. Those all are hacked link. You click, you will get some mobile, you will get some travel voucher or anything. But what happened when you click that link, your phone get cloned actually. Fine. What happened with one of my friend, he's like during this lockdown, his daughter has to use his phone for online classes. Fine. And when she was using that, one message came in their group, and she just clicked it. And 2 to 3 days after, they got one message from the service provider that they have to pay ₹1,000 for texting to others, some messaging. And they asked that who did this message. Then they contact the service service provider. They told that after clicking that WhatsApp message, that message has they had sent to 5,000 people, and that those people are not in their mobile, they're other persons, and the charge was ₹1,000. ₹1,000 is a very small amount, but like this way they can hack your mobile. Only one WhatsApp message, not only from the WhatsApp message, it can come from normal SMS, it can come from mail, anywhere it can come. So you have to be very careful what you are clicking and why. It's not possible that anyone can send you a text and you can forward it with 10 people and you will get an iPhone. It's not like that. This is not that much easy. iPhone is so costly, but nobody is going to give you like as a gift. Fine. So install one antivirus. Do not click any untrusted links. But if you have know anybody who is trustworthy and who is sending some link or taking some test or anything, then you can go that. Not everything is like a bad thing in internet. There are lots of things which are very much helpful. Okay, so the next is stay cyber secure. How? Financial transaction. Tell your child that do not share any debit card or credit card statement details in internet with anybody, because they don't need to use any online transaction. The school also don't ask them to make payment online. Fine. So they do not need to make any online transaction. So they are not supposed to use any financial transaction or any financial details sharing in the internet. Protect your computer from malware or computer hackers. How? Same thing, install very good antivirus and firewall. Nowadays, Windows is coming with inbuilt firewall and antivirus protection. Every time, update your phone, update your security system and install it. Fine. Do not use any unauthorized Wi-Fi access. When you are like moving somewhere and you are getting mil gaya ek open Wi-Fi, don't use that. With that Wi-Fi, so many of people are connected and they can easily access your system. So do not use unauthorized Wi-Fi. If you have Wi-Fi, use your mobile network or any network, use that. Or if anybody give you access with password, you give that. And other than when we enter in a hotel, in a station, you can see there will be some open network, but you have to put your mobile number. They give you OTP, then you get access. This is the authorized Wi-Fi access. These all are safe, but do not like connect with anyone's Wi-Fi access. Fine. Contact and personal details. Don't share your phone number. Don't share your father, mother's phone number, family member's phone number, like any other personal details to anybody. There is no need to share your personal details to anybody. If the person is in online, you have social media access, enough. Don't give him or don't give them any WhatsApp number or anything, because when your mobile number is with them, they can access your profile, bank account, anything, because they are hacker. They are not the good person. You can see like in our life also, anybody become our friend Facebook, and after one or two words they give your WhatsApp number. Why you are like talking us in Messenger? Why do you need WhatsApp number? Don't share. Fine. And so what should we should we do? Stop, think, and connect. When we have to do something, take a pause. Think why and what we are going to do, and then connect. Fine. Remember these three things: stop, think, and connect. Don't do whimsically anything. First, you have to take a pause. Say, like, this is a site, see, go to Google, search that site. Is it safe or not? Fine. Anything. Take the risk factor, everything. Just do a little research. Then think, is it really is it really needed to you? Then if the answer is yes, then connect. Don't do anything that comes into your phone and you connect. No, stop, think, and connect. Fine. Now yesterday you all are asking the how to do that timing, Facebook timing, YouTube timing, all those things. I just want to share some apps. Like, you have your phone, your kids are also having their own phone, or like that. There is an app, Google have made this app, Google Family Link. Fine. You can go Play Store. You will search for Google Family Link. Fine. There will be two apps. One is parent app, one is child's app. You have to install the parent app in your mobile and the child's app in your child's mobile. What you want, you need your own Gmail ID and your child's Gmail ID. Like, if you have two kids, then you have to install the child app in both the kids' mobile. Fine. And they will access with their separate email ID. Like, the boy will be the boy@gmail.com, the girl will be the girl@gmail.com. And your phone will give access only to those numbers, those emails, to access that mobile. What happened with that? When you install the app, you can track every action, what they are doing in their mobile from your mobile. Fine. You can control their time, how long they will use YouTube, how long they will use Chrome, how long they will use any particular app, like any gaming app. When you install, the app will show what are the apps installed in your child's account. Click that app, there will be set access time. You can give 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, fine. Or you can set the phone on and off time also, fine. Like, I have set to my daughter's phone that from 10 p.m. to next day 12 p.m. he or she can't be able to access their phone or tab. It will totally closed. If he or she has to make a phone call to, they have to take access from me. But there is an emergency call button. He and she can call me only. Fine. Because they are now staying at home, so they don't need to have the phone access also. Other elder family members are having their phone. They have to install any app. I have to give them the access. They have to, the automatically one message came, your son or daughter is trying to access, trying to like access this app, should give access or not. If I click yes, then they will be able to download that app. Fine. So Google Family Link is a very useful app. You can handle everything. Like this is a very important cybersecurity app. If you have Google Security app installed in your phone, then you can say 60 to 70% worried you have already removed. Fine. Another thing, install YouTube Kids. Don't install only the YouTube. Those family who have middle age and teenagers, please install YouTube Kids. YouTube Kids will not show any bad thing, any adultery products in the YouTube channels. Okay. So if now when you install YouTube Kids, if the child goes and search for any like keyword, they will see the safe version. No adultery is there, nothing. Fine. And when your child is like accessing any app, go to Google, search for that app or game and see the age restriction. If the age restriction is permitting your child's age, then you allow him or her to play or access that game or that site. Otherwise, don't allow them. The age restriction is always mandatory and always written in the game's site. Okay, so visit that site and everything, do everything. And if you see that after installing any game, they are repeatedly playing it. They are playing it continuously. Then with the family link, you can stop that. You can do anything. Like when you are like asking to stop playing, but they are not they are continue playing. You can stop that game from your mobile only. You open family link, just stop that mobile. Don't give access. Fine, you can. And from the first few days, they will be like rebel. Why, mama, you are doing this? But make them understand this is for your betterment. Fine, this is for the cyber security. Nobody can harm you. I will give access. You do your study, then you play. You do your homework, then you can play for 2 hours. With this app, you can also reduce the screen time. If you want to give 1 hour screen time, you can give 1 hour. If you want to give 2 hours screen time, you can give 2 hours screen time. Fine. This is a very useful app, Google Family Link. You have to install the parent app in your mobile and the child's app in your child's mobile. If you have 2 kids or 3 kids, you have to install them and you can access them. I can show you. I have 2 accounts in my mobile. See, this is the 2 account. You can see 2 account. One is for my daughter and other is for my son actually. Fine. The 2 accounts. I can access both. When I click my daughter's account, I can access. I can stop her accounts. And main thing, you can see the location also. The exact location they can see. See, this is the location. If my screen is visible, then you can see the location. See, she is using Chrome. She is using YouTube, WhatsApp Business, everything. What are they doing? I can see. Lock time, the lock until 6, tomorrow she has exam, so 6 a.m. it will be open. Everything. How many times? 3 hours. The access time is 3 hours. Everything. You can access everything from your phone. My daughter is not with me. He is 600 kilometers away from me actually, but I can access his her phone from here only. And it's a very useful app. So with this note, I want to finish like stop, think, and connect. This is a mantra of cybersecurity, and use Google Family Link, YouTube Kids, and tomorrow I will share some Facebook and other screen time management skills, because tomorrow is that screen time management day actually. So today's point is cyber security. Don't share anything. Mainly, don't share your password to anybody else. It's your password, your personal property. Don't share any bank detail, Aadhaar card detail, any detail to anybody. And for the parents, please do install Google Family Link in your phone and your child's phone also, so that you can track them. And it also like install in the tab also. And the main thing is stop, think, and connect. If anything comes to you new, first you stop, see what is happening, is it needed or not, then think, do a little research, and then if the question's answer is yes, then connect with that site or game. Fine. And don't get addicted to anything. If like you have to aware of that, I am doing this thing repeatedly, whether I am doing this or that game is like making me playing that game actually. Fine. So আজকে আমাদের যে টপিকটা আলোচনা হলো সেটা হচ্ছে সাইবার সিকিউরিটি। এখানে আমরা কি কি দেখবো, যে কখনোই আমাদের পাসওয়ার্ড, আমাদের ব্যাংক ডিটেল, আমাদের পার্সোনাল ডিটেল আমরা কারোর সাথে শেয়ার করব না। ফেসবুকে সে যতই আমাদের বন্ধু হয়ে যাক না কেন, আমরা তার কাছে কোনো রকম ইনফরমেশন গুলোকে শেয়ার করব না। ফাইন। দেন আমরা কি করব, স্টপ, থিঙ্ক, কানেক্ট, এটাকে একটু মনে রাখবো। কোনো কিছু নতুন যখন আসছে, ইন্টারনেটে সবকিছু তো আমাদের জানা সম্ভব না, এভরি নতুন নতুন জিনিস আসছে, প্রথমে একটু পজ নিই, ভাবি এটা আমার দরকার আছে কি, একটু রিসার্চ করি যে এটাকে কি ব্যাপার, কেন কি, ছোট করে, বেশি টাইম লাগে না এতে, দেন কানেক্ট করি। এই যদি একটু টাইম দিই না, এই মাইন্ডফুলনেসটা যদি আমরা একটু দেখাই, তাহলে কিন্তু আমরা অনেক বড় বড় বিপদ থেকে নিজেদেরকে বাঁচাতে পারি। ঠিক আছে। আর কি করব, গুগল ফ্যামিলি লিংক বলে আমি যেই একটা অ্যাপের কথা বললাম, সেটা প্লিজ সবাই আগে, আমি যেরকম বলে দিলাম আমার গুগল ফ্যামিলি লিংক ভালো, তার মানে কিন্তু ভালোই হতে হবে তার কোনো ব্যাপার নেই। ওখানেও তাই, স্টপ, আমি বলেছি একটু ভাবুন, এবারে রিসার্চ করুন, ওটাকে গুগলে সার্চ করুন এবং দেন কানেক্ট করুন। ফাইন। এবং দেখবেন এই অ্যাপটা সত্যিই খুব ইউজফুল, বাচ্চাদের জন্য খুবই ইউজফুল অ্যাপ একটা, কারণ এখন ওরা এত বেশি মোবাইল, ইন্টারনেট সমস্ত কিছু ইউজ করছে, আর এটা গুগল একটা দারুণ অ্যাপ বানিয়ে রেখেছে। ঠিক আছে। এটা গুগল জিমেল দিয়ে অ্যাক্সেস করতে হয়, প্রত্যেকের আলাদা আলাদা জিমেল থেকে একটা অ্যাক্সেস হয়, খুব ভালো, এটা করতে পারেন। আচ্ছা, আজকে আর খুব একটা বেশি টাইম নেই, আমাদের কাছে 1-1.5 মিনিট বেঁচে আছে। তো কারোর যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে আমাকে লিখবেন হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে, আমি ট্রাই করবো আনসার দেওয়ার। আর আজকে একজন একটা খুব সুন্দর ইয়ে শেয়ার করেছে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে, আমার খুব ভালো লাগলো পড়ে, একদম অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েটলি উনি বলেছেন যে আমরা বাচ্চাদেরকে সবকিছুই যদি জানাই এবং ওদেরকে এটা শেখাই কোনটা ঠিক কোনটা ভুল, এবং ওরা ওদের নিজের ডিসিশন গুলো যদি নিজে নেয়, তাহলে সেটা সব থেকে ভালো হয়। তো তার জন্য কিন্তু আমাদের বাচ্চাদের সাথে খুব ফ্রেন্ডলি হতে হবে, যেটা সব থেকে আগে দরকার। আর যেরকম মধুমিতা বললো যে ও 2 দিন ধরে বাচ্চার সাথে রাগারাগি করছে না, আশা করি আর কোনোদিনই করবে না। বাচ্চাকে শুধু ভালোবাসুন, দেখবেন আপনি ওকে জয় করে নেবেন পুরো। মানে এমন না যে প্যাম্পার করে ফেলবো, ওকে একদম বেপথে চালিয়ে ফেলবো, তা নয়। ভালো, মানে শাসন তো সেই করে যে সোহাগ করে, তো সেইভাবে আর কি, সবটা ব্যালেন্স করে। যখন বকা দেওয়া দরকার বকা দেবো, কিন্তু গায়ে হাত তুলবো না, মারবো না। ঠিক আছে, মারামারি করবো না, ওরাও শিখবে তাহলে সেটা। বকবো, তারপরে আবার কিন্তু সেটাকে আদর দিয়ে ওদেরকে ভুলিয়ে দেবো। তো এটা হচ্ছে আজকের টপিক ছিল সাইবার সিকিউরিটি। টাইমটা শেষ হয়ে যাচ্ছে এখনই। কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকলে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে করো। আর গুগল ফ্যামিলি লিংক নিয়ে কালকে আমি জিজ্ঞাসা করব। সবাই কিন্তু এটা একটু দেখে নেবে, গুগল ফ্যামিলি লিংকটা খুব ভালো অ্যাপ, ভীষণ ইউজফুল অ্যাপ একটা। মানে এটা ইউজ করলে পরে অনেক ভাবে কিন্তু বাচ্চাদেরকে এই ইন্টারনেটে যে